Super light. Feels like Christmas, man. So typically when you order this stuff from Invoke Concepts, you know, you gotta go through a production phase that usually takes about 2 or 3 weeks. And then after they send pictures to show you what it looked like before they ship it out. That way, you know, anything happened between then from when they finished it to then when they shipped it out to when you get it, if anything happens, it's on the shipping company. You know what I'm saying? So the packaging for that Invoke Concept uses is much more thick and more sturdier. Like this is crazy. So I gotta get a hammer to get this off. But I got the fenders over here. So pretty much you're just looking at, like, you know, corners and everything, because the middle could be fine. Obviously it's a fender, so it's gonna go right here. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and look at the bumper. Everything looks good. They even covered the sensor hole. You got the honeycomb going down here across. So just making sure that because in my experience, because I've seen a lot of this stuff on social media before I actually finally got it. It's usually there's one person I see had damages like right here from it falling, but everything's look good. It just needs to be cleaned up. But yeah. Sir. All right, let's it's open. Okay, the corners are good. This is kind of heavier than the fenders, obviously, but got a hood that's like crazy secured. I'm gonna try my best to get in there. take off the sides and then slide it out. It wasn't too bad. For the hood and the trunk, they have the wood where kind of where your bolts are gonna go out from the onion parts of your car, so that way the corners of the hood doesn't get damaged. Good, like they are. Top of the hood is good. So you guys can look closely. The honeycomb pattern. Alright. So yeah, I'm just excited to show you guys the reveal of my carbon body parts. Obviously, I'm gonna make an install video. You should already know that without even thinking about it. So stay tuned to the install videos on how to install carbon fiber hood, trunk, fenders, and a Sema bumper. Sema, whatever. Anyway, till next time, guys. Deuces.